Oh, the weather outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. And since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Man, it doesn't show signs of stopping, and I brought me some corn for popping. The lights are turned way down low. Let it snow, let it snow.
Spoštovane občanke, spoštovani občani, leto 2020 se izteka. Bilo je nenavadno, polno negotovosti in omejitev. Prav zato bi ga radi zaključili še posebej svetlo in prijetno.
And the fire is slowly dying, and my dear, we're still goodbying. But as long as you love me so, let it snow and snow.
Blagoslovi vsemogočni Bog to božično drevo in božično mestno razsvetljavo v imenu Očeta in Sina in Svetega Duha. Amen.
Oh, the fire is slowly dying, and my dear, we're still goodbying. But as long as you love me so, let it snow, let it snow.
Čestitke ob občinskem prazniku, lep december vam želim in ostanite zdravi.